A pair of inequalities is shown below, which region or regions on the graph shown represent the solution set of the two inequalities. So to find the solution set of the two inequalities, we need to find the overlap region that satisfy each of these two inequalities. And the first inequality is y less than or equal to x squared. It means that the boundary of this inequality will be this blue parabola. And the second inequality is y greater than or equals to x plus 1. It means that the boundary will be this straight line. And to find the region that satisfies its inequality, we can use test point method. For the first inequality, we can assume this region as the inside region, and then this is as the outside region. And we can choose one point from either region, and actually the easiest point to choose is 0.0. However, 0.0 is located on the boundary, so we cannot use that point here. So we can use any point that is located is on the x-axis or y-axis. So let's say that we choose this point, which is the coordinate will be 0.3. And then the first inequality, the left side is y and the right side is x squared. And then here we have y equals 3 and x equals 0. It means that we will have 3 and 0. And we know that 3 is greater than 0. It means that this point is not satisfy the first inequality, and any other point with the same region with 0.3 will not satisfy the first inequality. Therefore, the region that satisfies the first inequality is the outside region, and we can make a area. We can make a sign like the area like this. So this is the area that satisfies the first inequality. And to find the area that satisfies the second inequality, we can also use the same point to test whether this point satisfies the inequality. And so the left side we will have y and the right side we will have x plus 1. So we will have 3 on the left side and 0 plus 1 on the right side. So we have 3 and 1. And we know that 3 is greater than 1. It means that this point and any other points on the same region will satisfy these inequalities. And the solution set of these two inequalities is the region which is these two regions overlap each other. So the solution set is the area where the red line and the green line intercept each other, which is this area and this area. So the region which is the solution set of these two inequalities will be A and C. And the answer will be A.